Let's get right into those email questions tonight. We have this one from Joe. I was in a wreck 2 months ago, lots of injuries, and I hoped I could get my medical bills taken care of quickly. No doubt that the other driver was at fault, but no one even returns my calls, and I'm really struggling. Do I need a lawyer, or is this normal?
Joe, yes, you absolutely need a lawyer given the situation that you're in right now with a wreck that's occurred 2 months ago, and you've had, obviously it sounds like you've had some pretty extensive medical treatment, and you're no doubt having some bills rolling in. It is somewhat odd that it's been that long and you haven't heard from somebody. Usually insurance companies try to jump on claims very quickly because their goal is to try to resolve those claims very quickly. The problem with doing that, and really one of the reasons why you do need a lawyer, is because whenever you're involved in a motor vehicle accident, you're going to have as many as probably at least 3 different types of insurance coverage, possibly 4, that will apply, and getting those benefits properly coordinated to make sure your bills are paid, if you have any lost wages, to make sure some of those are paid, and to hold the other person accountable. You're going to want to get a lawyer involved in that fairly quickly because the process can take a little bit of time. Usually insurance companies, like I said, want to jump on the claim very early by throwing a little bit of money at you. And when I'm talking a little bit of money, it doesn't sound like a little bit. They may come back and say, we'll give you $1,500 or $2,000. And, of course, who wouldn't want to have a couple extra $1,000 in their pocket? The problem is your PIP insurance, which is a type of coverage that goes along with your automobile insurance, it pays 80% of your bill. And a lot of times people will find themselves in a situation where after all of their insurance benefits have been processed and their bills have been paid, they're still left owing several $1,000s, which is why you would go to the other person's insurance company to try to get reimbursement from them for those out-of-pocket expenses. So if you settle a case very early, you very well may be putting yourself in a situation where you've got a little bit of money now, but you end up owing a lot more later on.
Well, hopefully that answers your question, Joe.